Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the phone number in your Google account. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are already signed in to your Google account. If not, sign in with your email and password. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. A small window will appear. From that window, click on Manage your Google account. After that, your account settings page will open. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu with different options. Find and click on Personal Info. This section contains your basic details and contact information. Now scroll down until you see the Contact Info section. Here you will find the Phone option. Click on Phone. You will now see all the phone numbers that are added to your account. Find the number you want to change and click on it. Next to the number, you will see a small pencil icon. Click on that pencil icon to edit the number. For security reasons, Google may ask you to enter your account password again. Type in your password and continue. After you confirm your password, you will be able to remove the old phone number and enter a new one. Carefully type your new phone number and make sure it is correct. Then follow the steps on the screen to verify the new number. Once verified, your phone number will be updated in your Google account. Thanks for watching.